Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My name is Sunny. Merry Christmas to those who are celebrating, and for the rest, Happy Holidays. My project for today is my yet another attempt at carving, something I got inspired from a Pinterest picture, and I made a gold berry. So let's create. For this project, I repurposed an old plaster project of mine. I shaved off and gave a berry shape to this rectangular cuboid of plaster. Next, I marked a graph on this berry to have a better idea at carving tiny petals. At this point, I had to work with X-Acto blade and needle, and I carefully carved each petal and formed multiple rows, each smaller than preceding one. In end, I spray painted the berry to stop it from shedding more plaster. Now that berry was done, I carved some contemporary leaves and stem, added few dollops of glass paint at shallow holes I made at the stem part. And I painted the whole thing with gold spray paint and then with gold acrylic color. And here's a little treat for those who like seeing masking tape being taken off. And now our project is complete. Guys, if you liked what you saw in this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. I will see you guys in 2023 with more DIY art. Guys, do take care. Love and light. Bye.